Okay guys, ito ay isa pang event for solo. Ay, pangit yung color. For solo live. Okay, so ito yung event naman for solo live, which is yung random PK race. Race, no, pataasan. Okay. Yung mga nag-random PK last week, February 12 to 15. And ang mga gustong mag-try this week, 19 to 22. Okay, so yan yung yan yung dalawang tawag dito, schedules for red team and blue team. Okay? Ngayon, sino pwede ditong mag-join? All host. Lahat ng host na nag-solo live at nag-random PK. Okay? Okay, for the daily rewards, kung kayo'y naka 350 points, 1 day VIP. Kung naka 600 points naman, 1 day VIP and live recommendation for 1 day, yung top picks. Pag naka 1K naman kayo, meron kayong frame, VIP, and live recommendation 1 day. Okay, so ito ay for daily PK rewards. So, kung para sa mga nagsasolo live na instead na solo-solo lang, para meron din kayong kausap and interaction, nag-PPK. Okay, so yan yung para dyan. That's only for the daily live. Ngayon, for the ranking rewards naman, yan, kung top 1 ka, meron kang $3 a day in 7 days. So, alam niyo na to. Pag pag top 1 ka at nanalo ka dito, pag nag-live ka, makakakuha ka ng $3 a day in 7 days. Banner, PK frame, and top picks for 7 days. Kung ikaw naman ay top 2 and 3, $3 a day in 5 days. PK king frame, top picks 3 times a day. Kung ikaw naman ay top 4 to 10, $2 a day in 5 days. PK frame, and top picks. Kung kayo naman po ay nasa top 11 to 20, 7 days VIP, 3 times pick. Kung top 21 to 30 naman, 5 days VIP and pick 2 days. Okay. Ngayon, meron tayo sinabi kanina na red versus blue. Okay. So, dito na yan, papasok yan. So, remember, meron tayong schedule na Wednesday na hindi pwedeng i-take ng slot for live house kasi ito siya para dito. Okay? Okay, so meron tayong red team and blue team. So, kung sino man ang manalo sa kanila, makakakuha ng 7 days Elephant King Noble Vehicle and SVIP for 3 days. And yung top 10 daily MVP supporters naman will get yung vehicle na to, Take You to Fly, 4 days. Ayan, so ito siya ang event for the random PK race.